Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. We are looking at the short story, and we said that like any essay, we need to go through our wRuQEWafuPUwE. I interpret the question. Our question was a question from the CXC 2012 exam. The question went like this. My people were special to me. I had to warn them that a storm such as they had never seen was coming. Write a story beginning with that first sentence. So we're going to plan our story now. What's the plot? Well, we know a storm is coming. I tend to like to write stories based on the past. So my story is going to be about an Amerindian boy. Let's call him Hulak, because he is going to be you. I, remember the story, first person. So I'm going to call myself Hulak, an Amerindian boy who sees the Spanish coming into his island, seeing the death and destruction that they are bringing, and that's the storm. Doesn't have to be a physical storm, because the question said a storm that they had never seen before. So my plot is going to be about the invasion of Europeans on the Caribbean. Okay, so that's the plot. My setting, let's say 98. Okay, when Europeans first came to small islands to the south of the Caribbean. What is going to be my point of view? Well, the stimulus gave us that. It's I. So you are telling the story about this boy. You are Hulak. And what is your theme going to be about? Well, it's going to be about a guy who loves his people. It's about a boy who is brave. And, of course, he is going to be a hero because he's going to warn his people. So you plan your essay. And from this skeleton plan, you can begin to write your essay, where you sit down and you begin with that first sentence they gave you, and you begin to plan your paragraphs. I want to remind you that with this tutorial, there's a great workbook where I have a sample answer to this question and everything that's in this tutorial in that workbook. Okay? Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com, and I'll see you soon.